Passion Technology Performance. SCM Group Engineering designs systems integrating different technologies and advanced production plants, both for the woodworking sector and for complementary sectors. SCM Group Engineering is part of SCM Group's industrial division. The production processes for which SCM Group Engineering designs plants are many. The ability to supply high-tech solutions for the entire production process is a strong plus point, which makes SCM Group stand out in its reference market. The window production process involves making wooden or wooden aluminium sashes and frames. Window production process is split in 8 main functions. Cross-cutting produces parts cut to the required lengths for sashes and frames. For solid wood, bar cutting may involve defect removal and the cut carried out according to a production list or with optimization of the bar to be cut. Cross-cutting is performed using selected partner technologies. All of the mechanical operations required to obtain the finished item are carried out using different types of window CNC system to satisfy all customers' production requirements. During 4 sides molding, the geometry and quality of the parts are prepared for the subsequent processing. If necessary, glazing beads can be obtained when assembling glass on windows or small profiles for other uses. During tenoning, the machine prepares the ends of the workpieces for joining or assembly in order to form a sash or a frame. The most common assembly systems are tenons, wooden dowels and mechanical joints. During boring and milling, the machine heads make the cavities for fitting hardware, hinges, handles on the frame and the sash. During profiling, the longitudinal left and right sides are molded and, if necessary, are automatically made grooves for seals or hardware inserting. All of the technologies for these 4 functions are designed and built by SCM and Czelaski. The functions performed by the line are managed and coordinated by the line supervisor next. Colibri is an anti-chipping electronic device for pre-shaped items. Items can be marked by ink or laser. Sanding prepares sash and frame for the subsequent impregnation and coating to improve the quality of the product, removing any defects caused by the previous processing and, above all, to ensure that agents painted on penetrate best and deepest on sanded surfaces. The use of a planetary unit allows complete removal of the skin for excellent results. A second sanding step is carried out after impregnation of sash and frame elements. Sanding is carried out using DMC technologies. Planetary unit removes scratches thanks to its multi-directional movement and special pads. During sash assembly, the CN machine allows, after glue has been spread on the tenons, mass or batch 1 production. Assembly is carried out using Sergiani clamps. Impregnation, base coating and top coating are designed to meet any production requirements. Plants for painting assembled sashes, disassembled and hung vertically, disassembled and rested on flat conveyors. Paint drying is possible using hot air, infrared, ultraviolet or microwave drying ovens. Painting is also carried out in several steps, one after another, alternated with sanding. Painting is performed using superficie technology. With assembly of the frame, as for the sash, the CN machine allows, after glue has been spread on the tenons, mass or batch 1 production. Assembly is carried out using Sergiani clamps. Manual window assembly sees the frame and sash put together along with the hardware, fitting and seal. Manual window assembly is carried out using the technologies of selected partners. For packaging, several layers of stretch film are applied on sash and frame. For automatic packaging, the machine must be connected to a complete line and the pallet arrives directly from a conveyor, while for semi-automatic packaging, the machine is standalone. Packaging is carried out using the technologies of CPC and selected partner RoboPack. Examples of recently produced window production plants are Fratelli Biondini joinery with Windoor 100 integrated line, ideal for medium productivity and high flexibility. Up to 16 complete windows per shift in batch 1. Some of SCM Group's main customers in the window sector.
Passion Technology Performance.